Keyboards. We use them almost every single day while typing or gaming. So I thought, why not review another mechanical keyboard on this channel? This time, the Genesis Thor 300. Stay tuned. How about we start off with its unboxing first? So on top of the box we have the Genesis logo, the keyboard itself, and we've got the blue switch variant. Next we have this really nice looking cardboard box, and it has the Genesis logo on it again, with the writing of the name of the mechanical keyboard. And now under that we have some paperwork. It basically includes a Wii symbol. I'm not sure what that typically means. Let's keep that to the side. And then we also received the quick installation manual for it. Oh, and we also received some stickers from it. That's pretty nice. Okay, and now this is the mechanical keyboard. Taking that out from the box. Oh, it is pretty heavy, especially the fact that it has an aluminum casing. And I have actually unboxed this already, and as you can see there are some yellow colorish and whitish like keycaps. That's basically because I have custom painted it, keeping that to the side, and that's why this may have come off with another keycap. Let's start off with its build. It has an aluminum housing which makes it less durable while someone's typing, and this also lets the person know that they've actually clicked the right keycap. Adding on, this is essentially just a backlit keyboard, which means that you'll only be having one color backlight, and as you can see here, it's the color green. As this keyboard has the Optimal blue switches, the actuation point are 2mm with the need of 55 grams of force. And now we'll be checking out the different backlit layouts which may enhance the user's personal preferences. And now it's basically time to hear the sound of these blue switches. Anyways guys, that was all for today's review, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please be sure to give a like and subscribe. That would be really helpful. And yeah, that's it. Bye.